Yes, hello guys. Today I will discuss about the ChatGPT. This is the discussion topic right now around the world. What is the ChatGPT and how we can use and what is the most important feature of the ChatGPT. Right now, GPT it's work like a human, but it's not a human. All right. First of all, because ChatGPT is make on AI artificial intelligence, right, behind on the working, and they capture the data from the previous year, like 2020 to backward. All right, they give you the all data, and they give you the information which is on the internet, Google, any server. They capture that data, and it's a good thing, and it maybe it replace the Google and replace the employee as like a developer. All right, and it's a good thing for the developer. They're gonna provide the exact code, exact information about the question, about the query, about the problem. All right, so that's why it's a very good, and it's a very authentic. It's a good thing, I think so. One more thing is Google and the ChatGPT is same thing, but ChatGPT is replaced with Google, because Google, if you ask any question with that Google give you the a lot of possible questions. All right, and possible links, but ChatGPT they provide the accurate answer, accurate response to the question. So right now I will first of all I write code in Python. Any language you can write a code easily using this. All right, first of all I will give you the query. Write code in Python. let 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 you see what's happening. One more thing is, if you give you the any question query about the coding, anything about this, they give you first of all give you the some short tip, briefly a summary about the problem about this. All right. Yes. So you see, they give you the information and they give you the code about, and with the commands it's a good thing. They also provide the commands about the each line, which is the best thing to understand for the developer. So right now I will check it's a good code or not. So let's check on my system online compiler. So let's check this what's happening, and it's a good code or no. I think so, because they give you the accurate answer and give you the codes, and I cannot believe right now. Also give you the each line, they give you the commands accordingly, and it's a good thing. And also if else if statements, and it's good thing. Let me check in systems what's happening when I give you the code. Oh my god, let me copy this code. Alright, run this. Enter the expression. Enter the operation you want to perform. Let me, I just perform plus. Enter. Enter first number. 8. 5. Starting point. Alright, they will gonna taking points floating number. Alright. So I gonna again run this card, and let me check another operation. We're gonna apply extract. Enter first number, enter second number. They give me the perform the calculation accordingly. And I think it's a very flexible, and they give you the information about the every query, and Let me ask you some personal questions. One more thing is you can write it down your any article. All right. So let me. I give you the right. So, but you cannot use this blog. You cannot use this technology on put on the online because they are this code have this information have a lot of plagiarism, right? Because they're gonna fetch the data from the Google, and Google already take this data. So if you are upload the Google data, they're gonna give you the a copyright issue, and they give you a lot of plagiarism. So in next video I will give you the best solution for this, how do you reduce and remove the plagiarism, and using the some key feature parameter and on GPT. Right now I will ask the one more questions to the GPT, which is the most precious for the developer. So I ask you questions. Do you replace what's a question I asked? I am not able to perform a task to replace a developer. I am a simple tool can provide information answer a question. That's it. Alright. And do you human? Let's check you what's happening. Okay, I am not human. Okay, I want more questions. I want to lose my. How do you reduce? Yeah. Right now they give you the multiple thing about this. All right. Eat a healthy diet. Focus on your eating on processed food such as fruit, vegetable, or lean proteins and healthy fats. Avoid the processed. I give you all the information about these questions, but right now I will ask you one more question. Are you my doctor? No. Let me ask you questions. Do you yes, I give you the one more questions. Do you act my doctors? They give you the answer as a language mode. I am not ability to diagnose or treat medical conditions. I am not healthcare provider. It's a good thing. All right. So it's act like not accurately human, but they adopt the humans activities, and it's a good invention 2023, and it may be in future they're gonna predict the future. But right now I will give you the one more question. Do you predict future? Yes, this is the main thing. A lot I think so a lot of people have a question. AI can predict the future, and because when he is launched, almost is a 3 weeks ago is a launch, almost 1 month is launch, and I will use 2 weeks to use this GPT chatbot, and this is a very uh, responsive right to the user, and give it the accordingly answer. And let me check another questions, more questions, more people. I love you. What's that? So what? Give that or thank you. All right. They are not give you the response on thank you for the kind words. As a language, I do not feel the emotions. I do not have experience a lot of emotions. But now the thing is that this is more responsible for this kind. So that's why I'm saying that this like as human, when you ask your human, when you ask you are a very good person and you are very good, so they give you the positive response as like AI, as like human. So it's a good. I like this. Alright, so I like this. Alright, good, good. Ah, you're very helpful. Yes. Yeah, they're gonna read the questions and understand the question. User was asked you questions and accordingly answer. I'm glad to have been. It's my primary function provide information to the user. Happy to assist you solve a problem. If you have any further question, you need additional help, anything, please do not hesitate. This thing, right? So that's why I'm asking you. It's a very well. It's a good thing. And one more question I ask you. Do you know how do you replace the Google? What's the question? Yeah, and also give you the about the Google is a well search engine and technology company provide the wide range product, and I think say I will copy paste and give you the answer. Not as like you. Yeah, same thing. Let's see. Yeah. So there is a thing, so that's why Google Chat I give you the response accordingly. Okay, and I will show you one more thing. Okay, how to develop a complete model. Let me bear with. I can pause the video and find the question. Okay, bear with me. Yes, I have a questions and I will give you the input as a questions and I take you write a code in Python. Okay, so what's happening? Yeah, you see that they give you the all the information about the models, how we develop our models, and I will give you the questions. If first network classification norm and attack, and three convolutionals, 1D layers. First convolutional layer has a 64 layers, and second convolution 32 layers, and third convolutional has a 16 layers. After that, I will give you the put the questions. Max polling after each convolutional layer of true. Max polling add kernel after two layers and dropout layer after second convolutional layers as 2.2. I give you the ratio. And two dense layer, first 128 neurons and second one is 16 neurons. And output we use the sigmoid and with the one neurons. So let me see what's happening. Import TensorFlow. Alright, model.kava sequentials. Model.kava layers 1D 64 layers. You see that kernel size 3 activation value and input shape is non-municipal. Alright, model.kf से second layer 32 की थी हमारे पास as it is and install there हमारे system पे. After that हमने क्या कहा था उसे we have to add max polling. So model dot add tf dot keras layer max polling 1d polling size 2 keras modeling size 2 and max polling 1d keras 2. Alright, drawbar use किया as it is and then give it the model add output layer one neurons activation function sigma. That's it. So it's a thing of the GPT chat gpt, and it's free of cost right now, and in the future I think they're gonna paid in futures. I think so in next years, and it may be starting of the year, it may be it's a paid, but right now it's a chat gpt 3, it's a paid version using right, it's for specific user. So I think so it's a good thing, and they're gonna help you in future for the programmer, for the freelancer, for the developer to find the accurate information, to give you the accurate problem, and they give you the accurate answer accordingly, and they can save your time. So right now I will this thing is end right now. So in future you're gonna like my more videos, so you have to subscribe my channel, like, and press the bell icon to get the more information about the Python technology. And I will give you the new series of the Python in future. So I'm starting on the almost after 3 days ago. Alright, I will put up this series on Python, and you can see the all Python series by live. So right now you can subscribe and like my videos for more information.